Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've done a hair tutorial, so I decided to do a side flat twist out, and I'm obsessed with how this came out. It looks so cute, and I decided to use the entire Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. So let's jump right into this tutorial. So to get started, of course, I started off on freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, and I'm using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Dry Defense Shampoo and Conditioner. With this hairstyle, I decided to do 4 sections to apply my product combo, and this made it a lot easier to kind of just go with the motions of the technique that I'm going to use, and just make sure that, all the product was well distributed throughout my entire head. So the first product combo I'm going to go in with is the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. And because this is in the month of December at the moment, I wanted to use a heavier cream instead of like a, liquid-based leave-in conditioner. So this is going to be acting as my moisturizer. And I'm going to be taking some oil just to kind of, seal in that moisture on top of that twisting cream before I apply my next product. And of course, I'm going to go through my hair with a detangling brush. This is my Felicia Leatherwood brush with the best brush. I love this. This is also comparable to the Denman brush, but I like this because it has the open vents, just to make it a lot easier to clean the brush. And plus, it does a really, really good job of smoothing out my hair. So I'm just going to continue this same process, all 4 sections. So the next product combo I'm going in with is the Pure Honey Twist and Hold Defining Custard. And I really like this custard because it's not too sticky. A lot of custards that I've used in the past have been a little too sticky for my liking. But I like this because it does have a consistency that's more so on the gel side. And I did end up using this in my twist as well. So I love the hold and definition, but I also wanted to make sure that I'm using the same product combo on that braid as well. And I'm just simply braiding to the scalp, starting at the very, very top and just making sure I go all the way down the side. Now, as I add in my flat twist, I decided to make them medium sized. So on the top portion of my head, I'm going to end up doing 3 twists, and in the back, I'm going to end up doing 3 twists as well. I decided to do medium density because I feel like that would just give me the perfect ratio of, definition. I just feel like whenever you do twists that are too small, they're like too defined and not enough fluffiness. And then if you do them too large, sometimes they're just too fluffy and not, as defined. So I feel like that medium ratio is the perfect ratio. So before I add in my twist, I do add the defining custard on top, detangle it, and simply just do my flat twist. Now, the direction that I'm twisting is towards my face because I do want them to kind of cascade into my face. And I do that with all the twists. Now, I am twisting very taut just to make sure that it is super duper well defined and holds that molded shape really, really good. Plus, I'm going to end up adding some perm rods at the end just to make sure it's seamless from root to tip. And then the trick that I like to do is kind of just take a towel or a cotton t-shirt and soak up any extra product. This will also help it dry a lot faster. And once I'm done adding all my perm rods, I'm just going to tie my edges down and go to bed. You want to make sure your hair is 100% dry before you take these twists out. Now, I did end up air drying my hair overnight instead of sitting under the dryer, but they were totally dry, and I'm taking the perm rods out, and I love how the little curl looks on the ends. And my hair did end up shrinking, but I mean, that's pretty much what it's going to do anyway. And now I'm going to go in with the Shine Mist. I love this Shine Mist. It smells so good and it's super lightweight. So I'm rubbing that all over my hair, and I'm going to be using this to take down my twist to reduce any additional frizz. And then I'm also going to go in with the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Edge Control just to kind of swoop my edges a little bit. More so on the side that's going to be visible because, you know, once I take my twist out, it'll be cascading into my face. So you're not going to really see that other side. So as I'm taking down each twist, I am separating each little section just to create more volume. You don't want to separate too much to make too much frizz because I am going to pick it out later. But I love how this turned out. Like, the definition and hold with this custard and twisting pudding combo is literally the best, and it smells so good, y'all. And I barely had to put any additional shine mist on afterwards because the shine was just already there from this product combo. So shout out to this collection. Like, this collection is really, really good. Now, this is how my twists look before I pick them out. Now, with the braid, you can go ahead and tuck it under if you want without unraveling it, but later on I'm going to unravel to add more volume in the back. And now I'm just going to fluff away with my pick. I love using this pick, y'all. Like, whenever I do a braid out or twist out, I'm just always going in with that pick because I just have to make sure that my hair is as fluffy as possible. And I'm also creating kind of a more round shape, you know, kind of going in, filling those gaps. Now, this is the part where I'm going to unravel the braid a little bit. Not all the way, just to the part where it's, you know, just meeting my scalp. And then I'm going to tuck it away. Now, also, as I'm unraveling it, I'm kind of separating it as well, just to kind of match the volume to the twist side. And to spice it up a little bit, I decided to add 3 little hair charms on the side where the braid is. But this is pretty much how it looks, you guys. I'm really pleased with this hairstyle, pleased with the product combo. It turned out so cute. And this is going to last you a good minute too because the hold power on this is literally top 10. Like, comparable to if you're using Eco Styler Gel. Now, at night, I'm simply going to just take my scarf, roll it up as, you know, like a little hair tie, and I'm going to just simply pineapple it. That's it. You want to make sure that you sleep on a satin pillowcase. And if you don't have one, just simply tie it up with your scarf and then just put a bonnet over it. Same thing if you're going to get in the shower, same way to just tie it up. And then, you know, just simply tie it, or not tie it, but simply take it down and fluff it out, and you are good to go. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm obsessed with this hairstyle. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And let me know what you think of this Creme of Nature Pure Honey line in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys later in the next video.